Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, one and only original, authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no YouTube cheesy imposters or commentators. And this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing with a Knife of Death. So, this did not come in a box. We will open up. And this is... This better be what I expect it to be. There we go. Yes, it is. This is a DVI to, there's a DVI in, to HDMI cable. So later on today, after I've had a nap and a shower, I will take this and connect it to the HDMI converter, unplug the Mac Mini in the bedroom, and bring the Mac Mini out here and see if it will connect to my Sony Bravia. Now, the guy who sold me the Apple Cinema display said you can't do that. But I'm convinced that you can get these sort of things done. I just watched a video where one of the old iMac G3s, the ones that look like a giant dome, guy put a 128 megabyte SSD in there. Now, I don't know if anybody's managed to put a DVD reader in the slot-loading iMacs. There were iMac DVDs. I had one, but it crapped out, and I got rid of it. I should have kept it and fixed it. That had DVD readers built in, but the early ones don't. All right, we're going to see tonight, later on, if this will work, and then I can put the iMac Mini, the Mac Mini, sorry, I'm tired, Mac Mini underneath my television, and then use that to play music. It can't get on the internet, but, you know, I can play music with it. And the CD drive works, as it does in this iMac. And I found out that the 2008 iMac in front of me, I can upload, in fact, it's downloading El Capitan. It will only take 4 or 5 hours. So I don't know how they'll affect uploading my videos, but we shall see. All right, that's all we've got for Burgh Unboxing for today. And for the month, unless someone sends me something. Oh, by the way, I found out cats are so funny. Little Cleo liked the Friskies treats. I bought her one with cheese, 3 kinds of cheese, Monterey Jack, cheddar, and I forget the third one. Swiss cheese in it. She didn't like them. Kathy gave her the other ones that she had been eating. She didn't like those either. She wants the Temptations treats or the Dreamies. So go figure. The cat doesn't want the treats, and Kathy's going to give those back to me. And then we're going to have to go get the other brand of treats. And, you know, cats are like people. I don't like that anymore. I want to try something different. All right. Fed the cats. I'll go out later and look for Squeakies and Orangey. I fed little pretty girl, pretty one, Talkie and Tiny, and Mama Cat and Kitten were nowhere to be found for now. It was 3 o'clock when I went out. I'll go out again about 7 or 8 when I get up and go feed them and see if I can find the other kitties. No rain today, thank God, so that's good. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And I get lint all over this thing. I have to rewash the shirts on the first of the month. I'm not overdrawn. I got $3 in the bank. I managed to come up with the money and put the money in. I got one. Oh, I forgot. I do have another item, Apple Retro computing item coming in. So, stay safe out there, and I'll catch you next time. I need more sleep. I'm really tired from yesterday. It was long and grueling trip. And I did a lot of work taking all that stuff out of storage so we could get the computer out, get the boop tree out, and Kathy knew where. She didn't tell me after I put everything back in. I knew where my Nintendo games are. And well, why didn't you tell me that when I was before I put all that stuff back in? So we go up to Sacramento next month, but next month I'm gonna have hot chocolate and pie at Coco's, and see about that. Got more videos to post though, so have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye bye.